This guy commented, he said, I still get mad at the sound of Kent's voice. That smug, I have all the answers you'll ever need tone to it. It bothers me that his misplaced self-confidence has the ability to convince some people that he's right. Very cult leader-esque. I wish your comment had more likes. There's not a truer statement than this. His voice and tone has that exact smugness to it. Anyway, okay, who you got there, brother? Crybaby. Oh, who you got? I say, first of all, there's only one race. But there certainly are obvious different skin colors, okay? And different, what we call racial characteristics. Some have slanted eyes, some have curly hair, some have straight hair. So I think you could probably divide mankind up into three basic, not races, but just different divisions of categories. The Europeans, the Asians, and the Africans.